Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Photomath app. So all you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, just keep going down, you click here on apps. You come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Photomath app. You just click on search. Then here add Photomath, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click on it. You come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do next, so you just go to your Play Store, you click on it. Then here you search for Photomath, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.